still refusing to say goodbye. Every memory of you lives inside my heart tonight. Though the world keeps turning on, my love remains alive. Love won't change, even after all this time. Every beat inside my soul still keeps you alive. Love won't change, though you're far away. What we had still burns in me more with every day. I remember every touch, every softly spoken word, like a song that never fades, still repeating in my world. People say that time can heal and erase what once was true, but no matter where life goes, part of me belongs to you. Every lonely road I walk leads me back into your light, and I know this love of ours will survive beyond tonight. Love won't change, even through the rain. Every dream we left behind still remains. Love won't change, though we're worlds apart. You're forever living here inside my heart. One true love never fades away.